Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. It's been 3 months since the launch of the Black Bay 58 Blue. So, how is the market reacting to it? Let's find out. The Tudor Black Bay 58 is perhaps the most popular model in all of Tudor's lineup. The Black Bay 58 is a throwback to the brand's first diver watch in the year 1958. A lot has been said about the 58's case dimension in catering to smaller wrist size. However, the style of the 58 is perhaps within the heart of all of that aesthetics, i.e., the movement. It is powered by the in-house MT5402 caliber movement, which was used to replace the ETA 2824-2 for smaller size watches. You can say that the MT5402 was specifically designed for the 58, as it is currently used only in the 58 line. The MT5402 has 70 hours power reserve, COSC certified, has 27 joules and 28,800 Hz. It may or may not be because of this movement that Tudor was able to taper the size of this watch to what most people regard as the perfect size, i.e. 39mm in diameter, 11.9mm in thickness, 47.5mm from lug to lug, and it has a 20mm lug width. Now let's talk about the 58 Blue. Tudor calls this the navy blue. Now, I'm not trying to be technical here, but I think this is more of a sapphire blue instead of a navy blue, judging from the different shades of blue. Anyway, it's blue. The case of this watch is brush finish with polish finish at the side. The bezel here is a unidirectional bezel in steel, not ceramic, in matte blue, anodized aluminium with silver markings and numerals. Many don't know this, but both the dial and the sapphire crystal has a dome shape. It has a screw-down crown with the Tudor rose design. If I may be utterly honest here, I think the design here is so much more vivid and defined compared to any of the Rolex crown, pun intended. The watch has a 200-meter water resistance with snowflake hands and indices. The hands and indexes are of good size. Here's a comparison of it with my Rolex Explorer 2 16570. You will see the hands and the indices are larger than the Rolex. The printings and minute tracks on it are also white. It is no surprise that this watch has a closed case back. Like Rolex, the movement is not finished with high polish, thereby giving it a more industrial look. And maybe that's why there is no need to showcase it on an open caseback. The 58 Blue comes with a steel bracelet, a blue fabric strap, and a blue soft touch strap as seen here. This is leather with a suede material on the front and with white stitchings. A word of caution here, over time with sweat and use, the suede will fur out and will not look as elegant as seen here. The buckle here is a folding clasp with a safety catch. With the short curved down lugs, this watch wears very easily and comfortably on my 16cm circumference wrist. To me, I think Tudor did an excellent job with this piece. However, I don't think this is a practical dive watch. That is because the outer bezel is rather refined, which makes it difficult to have a good grip on it to rotate the bezel, especially when using wet gloves. Furthermore, there is no crown guards on this watch, which makes it rather dangerous when one wears it for diving. For people who don't dive, like myself, the lack of crown guards gives it a clean look. Hence, for non-divers, it really doesn't matter if it's a practical dive watch. The aesthetics, design, and its versatility are what matters to me here. Just when I was about to pull the trigger, I was told that the waiting list for this watch is 9 months. Seriously? 9 months? Well, I guess what that means is that Tudor has made the right decision in releasing a blue Black Bay 58. Well done, Tudor. Well done indeed. What do you guys think? Do you think this is just a temporary hype or something leading to a Rolex bubble, if you know what I mean? Which do you like better, the blue or the black? Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to support me, and I really appreciate it and promise to upload more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.